iced tea latte, iced tea green tea latte, iced Lipton tea latte. It doesn't matter what green tea or tea you use. Iced tea is very simple to make, and I'm going to show you how to make that at home. It's very simple and you can enjoy it. So stay with me as we do this right now. So to make iced tea at home, or how to make your iced tea, it's not hard. It's very simple. It depends on what kind of tea you want to use. You can use a chia tea, you can use loose tea, you can use a tea bag, and that's what we are going to use today in this video. I'm going to use 2 tea bags, and you can see I already put it in here. This is what I'm using: green tea with ginger. The reason I'm using this because it has a medicinal health value in this tea, and so I'm using this to get the benefit from it. So you can use any tea you want at all. You can use the loose one if you want. And so I have water already boiling, and I'm going to pour this on because we want this to dissolve a little. So as you can see how hot this is, and we're just gonna make 3/4 cup because it's very hot. You want it to be very hot, and we are going to leave this in for at least 5 minutes to dissolve in it nicely. And so we're just going to leave this, and we'll be right back as this dissolves. It's been 5 minutes. You can see our tea has dissolved nicely, and you can see the color has changed a lot. This is not a regular tea. If you want this to be deep, you want to have 2 tea bags. You can have 3 tea bags, so it will dissolve. You can get the color you want. If this is just a regular tea, you can only use 1 tea bag, and depends on whatever tea you are using. If it is tea loose or tea bags or black tea, depending, you can use any. All right, so now that this is done, what I'm going to do now that this is done, I am going to take this out, and I'm just going to squeeze this to the glass like that, so I can get all the juice I want from it. All right, so now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. We stir. Okay, now this is not too hot as it was before, so we are going to pour this, and I'm going to add my ice into the glass first. As you can see, that's quite an ice. That should be enough. And I'm going to put my spoon in here. That is a little tip that I learned, that you are pouring a hot water in a glass. Put in a spoon before you pour it in, then it will not break. So let's try this. Now I'm pouring this in here, just like about half of that. Okay, and you can see that looks good. And now we are going to add a milk. The trick, you can frost your milk depending if you have a froster. I don't have a froster, so the little trick that I do is I have a little gallon, like a small one. I just shake my milk. That is if I want it frosted. So I just shake the milk like that. Once you shake it, you can see, and when I pour this in, you see there's a lot of frost, and I'm going to add that to our tea. Look at the transformation. And you can see, and that is our perfect iced tea. And this is green iced tea. This is going to be very, very tasty, and that is just so simple that you can make your iced tea. So that is our iced tea. It's ready. It looks simple, delicious, and I hope you can make this for yourself. So we just finished making iced tea latte, and this is green tea latte with probiotics. That's a green tea that I use, and so look at how delicious that it looks like, and I'm giving in a taste. It's so refreshing. You don't taste too sweetness, anything sweet. You taste the green tea in it, taste a little bit of sweetness. You can add more sweetening if you want. You can add more if it's sugar, if it is honey. I added honey because I like more, and so you can do whatever you want to it. You can use any kind of tea you want. You can use loose tea, you can use black tea, you can use green tea, you can use any type of tea at all. That all is your choice of option what to use. So that's what we just made. Iced iced tea latte. It's delicious, it's refreshing. I hope you can make this yourself. If this video gives you any value, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as always. Thanks for watching the video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.